Let us solve another question from exercise 2.4. It is a very long question and its solution is also very long, but it is very easy to solve. Let us discuss. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth material. Two kinds of cloth material he is going to buy. One is trouser and another is shirt. The shirt material costs 50 rupees per meter. So let us write down what we are pointing out here. The cost of shirt material is rupees 50 and the cost of trouser material I think is going to make uniform. Yeah, it is written there in the question. Is rupees 90. The cost of trouser is 90. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meter of the trouser material. Where he is required to buy 3 meter of shirt, he also required to buy 2 meter of trouser. Means the ratio of shirt on trouser material is 3:2. The ratio has been given here. The ratio of shirt material and trouser material is 3:2. So let us consider shirt material is bought 3x and trouser material is bought 2x. Let us consider, we don't know how much is buying which one. Consider the shirt material. Let us consider Hassan bought shirt material of 3x and trouser material of length 2x. Then again another question condition is given. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. Means for shirt he is getting 12% profit and for trouser he is getting 10% profit. And his total sale is given. How much trouser material did he buy? We need to find how much material of trouser he bought. So we consider shirt material to be 3x and trouser material to be 2x. If these are the ratios, then let us find out the cost of total cost he invested for shirt material, for purchasing the shirt material. The cost, let us write total cost. The total cost of shirt material equals to how long has he bought? 3x meter and the unit cost is 50. So the total cost will be 3x into 50 rupees. This is equals to 150x rupees. Similarly, the total cost of trouser material, let us find it out. See how much he has bought? 2x and the unit cost is 90. So it will be 2x into 90 rupees. So that is rupees 90 to the 180x. Rupees 180x. Again it is given that he sells the materials at the shirt materials at 12% profit. So what? How much is the cost of selling price for shirt material? We need to find out that, because later it is there is given that the total sale is rupees 36,600. So total selling price we need to find, and before that we need to find the individual selling price of each item. the profit, the rate of profit of shirt material is 12%. It is given. So what is the profit amount? Therefore, the profit amount is equal to CP into cost price into profit by 100. So the cost price of it is 150x into profit is 12% by 100. So 0 is cancelled. Cancel 15 with 5, that is 3. Cancel 10 with 5, that is 2. Cancel 2 with 12, that is 6. So 3 6 are 18x. So the profit amount for shirt is 18x. So what is the total selling price of shirt? Selling price of shirt equals to CP plus profit. CP is 150x plus selling profit is 18x. This is 168x. So the selling price of shirt material is 168x. Similarly, we will find the selling price of trouser. The rate of profit of trouser material equals to 10%. For trouser, the percentage of profit is 10%. So we need to find the profit amount. So the profit amount is CP into profit by 100. So CP is for trouser, this is 180x into 10 divided by 100. So zeros are cancelled. This is 18x. Again it is 18x. So the selling price, now we need to find selling price of trouser material. This is again CP plus profit. So the cost price of trouser is 180x, rupees 180x plus profit is 18x. So it adds up to 198x. So we have got the selling price, individual selling price of shirt and trouser. Let me clear the earlier things, otherwise I don't have space in my board. According to question C, it is very easy, no? If you understand this once, it is very easy to remember. So learn it carefully, listen carefully. According to question, the total selling price equals to 36,600. See, the individual selling price is 168x for shirt and 198x for trouser. So if we add them, this should be equal with this one, 36,600 according to question. This implies 168x plus 198x equals to 36,600. Let us add this one. Add the coefficients and then put x here. This is 366x equals to 36,600. So the value of x equals to, let us divide 366 with the RHS term. Divided by 366, cancel this. While dividing, while solving, we will get that x is equal to 100. So now we found the value of x is 100 here. We are asked how much trouser material did he buy. He had bought, if you remember, the ratio was 3:2 and he had bought 2x meter of trouser material. Now let me clear this part. Trouser material, total trouser material bought equal to, we had considered it x, so this is equals to 2 into 100, that is 200 meter. So the length of trouser material that was bought was 200 meter. I hope you have you are totally clear, thoroughly clear about the problem. This is very easy. This problem involves equation with selling and purchasing. So thank you everyone for watching.